Flat. So guys, we're back again, flat white time, grabbing our group handle, giving it a good purge, getting rid of the old grounds, giving it a clean, giving it a wipe. Guys, onto the scale, using the Northern Baristas basic espresso recipe, we are after 18 grams of freshly ground coffee. See what we got. Touch more, couple of those I reckon, and we are bob on 18 grams on the dot. Nice firm tamp, guys, as always, nice and straight. So a flat white, we are back. What differs to the cappuccino and the latte, double shot, full 36 grams into the cup. Flat white, typically a stronger, less frothy coffee. So guys, milk for your flat white, filled it up as always to the spout, and we just want to give it a little bit less amount of stretch, amount of air than we did for the cappuccino. Purging my wand as always, and then we go in. So just a little bit of stretching. I'm happy with that. Then we're just going to texturize, get rid of the bubbles, nice and shiny, looking for the vortex, happy with the temp. Turning that off, giving it a wipe, giving it a purge. So I've got my double shot here, guys. See if we can pour something half decent. Raising the crema, 3/4 full, going in. We've got a little chewing. Flat white, double shot, nice flat milk, flat white, Northern Barista's way.